Have you ever wondered where most creators get their stock footage from? If I tell you that most of those stock footage you're seeing online is totally free, you might be shocked. And in this video today, I'll be showing you how to get those stock videos for free. And the best part is you don't even need a tool or subscription to get started. And by the end of this video, believe me that you can go ahead and get your own stock videos or footage for free for your videos. Stick with me as I unfold this treasure for you today. If you've been following me for a very long time, you realize that some of my faceless contents that I also drop in this channel are very cinematic. You can still go out and check all those videos. Some of them, at least, I have at least two now in this particular channel. And the best part is that I get those footage from this particular website that I'm going to share with you today. And I invite you as well to get started in creating your own faceless content with all this footage that is totally free today. Alright, so stick around this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as Ego Tech unfold this particular treasure for you today. This particular application or website that we use in getting those stock videos or footage and also stock images are totally free. And if you're a graphic designer or video editor and you don't know about this particular website or application, I believe you are out of the track. But I want to update you now. So what you have to do is check the link in the description menu, or you can go out or you can head over to your Play Store and search for this application here called Pinterest. But wait, one of the things about this application is that most people tell me that they can't download these videos for themselves. And I recently made a video on how to download these videos directly to your phone gallery, and that's the reason why I'm here again to tell you how to get the best of the stock footage from this particular web application or website. What you have to do is, after downloading this application, you can head over to the search bar and search for any single thing you want to talk about in that video. For instance, I recently made some videos about Mark Zuckerberg and um his business partners and all of those stuff. If you are watching my videos, you basically understand where I'm coming from. You can check all these videos. I got those stock footage from this particular application. So what I have to do is narrate or list down all the things I want to talk about in that video and divide them in seconds. All right. So once I divide them, I can now search. Each second has the stock footage that will fit that particular thing that I'm talking about in that particular second. So in that aspect, I will fit in the voiceover with the stock footage, and it is very cinematic and explains and also demonstrates the thing we are talking about in that particular video. All right, so that's what this particular website helps me. And one of the reasons why I love this application is that you guys download this thing for free. You don't have to pay for any subscription, and most importantly, you don't download it with watermark, because most of those stock websites that we use in downloading stock videos allow you to download them either in low quality, or if you want to download in higher quality, you have to go with a watermark or you pay for the pro version, which is likely not affordable for us new creators. So that's the reason why I'm making this video. Make sure download this application from Play Store or your App Store and make use of it diligently. All right. So that's the reason why I'm here today to upload this thing for you. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you really got value from this video. If you basically have any question, just drop that in the comment section as I will get back to you immediately. All right. So see you guys in my next video. I'm Ego Tech. Bye.